As you've seen, expressions can be used as query predicates, opening up a wide field of possible complexity beyond the scope of this course. What we can do is give you a look at all we have available for you in the toolbox. As you'd hopefully expect by now, Couchbase supports aggregate functions, conditional functions for numbers and for unknowns, number functions, and comparison functions. Beyond this, though, because documents support multidimensional data, not just scalar values, we also provide a solid function library for object and array manipulation. Couchbase takes a simple approach to datetime handling. JSON standards specify storing datetime data in the ISO 8601 format, so we anticipate that practice and provide a thorough set of functions for carving values from ISO 8601 into the shapes you need at runtime. We also support regular expressions, metadata manipulation, string manipulation, JSON document manipulation, type checking, and type conversion functions. Our expression operators will be no surprise. We support standard arithmetical operations, collection operators, comparison operators, shape and value testing operations, conditionals, inline construction of object and array values, standard logical operators, and the inevitable string concatenation. Of course, there's more to all of this. You can find documentation and links to useful articles on nickel techniques on our developer site. In this lab, you'll step through building an expression to calculate and display datetime data. Nickel is for more than just queries, though. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to insert, update, upsert, and delete documents using Nickel.